This is a giant 72 by 31.5 inch Christmas themed coloring poster we were sent to review, so let's take a closer look. It is huge. You could throw this on a table, of course. You could also put it on the floor so that kids can just kind of scramble all around it and go to town. It comes with a little card that is a miniature version of what you get here. This one's already colored in, of course. It's a nice material, kind of plastic backed or waxed backed. I'm not really sure. But it's not paper and it's not plastic. It's kind of something in between. The top is a nice texture that's gonna color well. It's got tons of Christmas themed items to color, including a reindeer, Christmas tree, Santa, snowman, the words Merry Christmas, and lots of smaller things. You've got Christmas ornaments, penguin, bells and holly, teddy bear, a little train, a snow globe, candles, gingerbread, just so much fun. They also have some activities, including a word search, a maze with start, and they wander around to the finish, and a little board game here. It looks like a mini chutes and ladders, just the 2 ladders. This Christmas activity tablecloth does not come with markers or crayons or anything, so you'll have to provide your own. What it does provide is literally hours of educational activities and coloring fun for little ones. Whether used as a rainy day activity or a way to keep kiddos quiet at the Christmas dinner table, this is so fun. We are loving this giant Christmas coloring poster and know you will too.